Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best tile saw on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. VIYUKI Tile Saw. VIYUKI Tile Saw tile cutter is a very high-quality, long-lasting cutting tool designed to cut tiles and porcelain. Its cutting capacity is about 10 mm. Its working speed is about 20,000 times min. It comes with a water pump handle, a handle of tile cutter, and a special blade, and you can use the water pump to supply water to the blade to cool it, and the water pump handle is used to control the water flow to the blade. In general, when you use a saw to cut tiles or porcelain, you need to use water to cool the blade. And you need to put the tile on the special tile cutter and then rotate the handle to make the blade cut the tile, and the blade can be tilted to make the blade slant. It is a professional tool for cutting tiles or porcelain, and it can help you cut the tiles or porcelain easily and fast. It is also great for cutting gypsum, drywall and plaster, and is portable, making it easy to move around. The portable tile saw comes with a 7-inch blade to cut through tiles up to 0.4 inch thick, a safety key and a carrying case, making it easy to store and carry. The safety key prevents tile saw blade from rotating unless the safety key is inserted. Number 4. Leegol Electric Tile Saw. Leegol Tile Saw is the perfect saw for cutting ceramic, porcelain and natural stone tiles and stone. You can go hands-free with this wet tile saw as it includes a water system and work table that holds water to give you crisp and clean cuts. This saw has a powerful 1.5 HP motor and is corded for high performance. The water pump generates a continuous stream of water for a 4-cutting area and can be hooked up to a garden hose for an unlimited supply of water. The frame is made of steel, and the top is made of high-impact polyethylene that can handle a total weight of up to 300 pounds. It's portable, which makes it ideal for both professional and non-professional use. Moreover, it provides an automatic water system that guarantees that you'll never experience any water shortage. Perfect for cutting ceramic, porcelain, natural stone, and concrete tiles, this saw features an advanced blade changing system that's very easy to use. Whether you need to cut tiles for your bathroom or kitchen, whether you're doing a small repair or a complete renovation, this saw is the best option for you. It's got a very powerful and sturdy frame, allowing for a solid and steady performance. Number 3. DEWALT Tile Saw. The DEWALT D24000 Tile Saw provides a powerful motor to cut through ceramic and natural stone materials. This tile saw features an impressive 7 3/4 inch blade to cut up to a 10-inch wide tile. The D24000's tile saw offers an adjustable for a precise cutting angle, and the D24000's tile saw frame locks it in place for quick angle adjustments for precise angle cuts. The D24000's tile saw allows you to make precise cuts up to 3/4 inches from the edge. The DEWALT wet tile saw features a 3-inch splash guard with a splash guard window. The DEWALT tile saw also provides a removable drip tray to catch debris and water during wet cutting applications. It comes with a water pump and a 10-inch diamond blade, which allow you to split medium and large tiles with ease. The DEWALT Tile Saw also has a built-in stand and a handy guard that protects against accidents while you work. Number 2. PorterCable Tile Saw. The PorterCable PCE 980 is a powerful wet tile saw that is designed to take on tough jobs. It boasts a large cutting capacity of 19-inch by 12-inch and a powerful 15-amp motor. The tile saw uses a water pump to deliver a constant flow of water to the blade, keeping it cool and extending its life. With its powerful motor and large cutting capacity, the PorterCable PCE 980 is a saw that can easily handle all the tough jobs. Its high-quality construction combined with a precision-engineered blade, this tile saw offers more accuracy and prolongs the life of the blade, making it the perfect saw for cutting ceramic tile, stone, glass and other hard materials. If you want a saw that you can count on, the PorterCable PCE 980 is the saw for you. This power tool's tension technology increases blade speed to up to 4,000 strokes per minute for fast, accurate cuts. Designed for the professional installer and remodeler, this wet tile saw features an industry-leading 1.3 GPM pump for a powerful, consistent water flow during cutting. Other features include a 1/4 arbor for versatile cutting, a 5/8 max slot for cut-through tiles, a clear liquid crystal display for easier readability, a 22 flexible hose, and a large reservoir for less frequent refills. The PorterCable Tile Saw is designed and engineered to perform. Number 1. Skil Tile Saw. The Skil 3540-02 Tile Saw is perfect for cutting ceramic, porcelain, marble, granite and more, with a powerful motor and optimum performance. This corded tile saw has a 7-inch diamond blade that can cut through wet and dry materials with ease and is ideal for any do-it-yourself homeowner. The 3540-02 Skil Tile Saw features a 21.5 amp motor that delivers 3,800 SPM. It is the ideal tool for cutting detailed decorative tile, stone, marble and more. The Skil 3540-02 7-inch wet saw features a 5.5-inch depth of cut. The Skil 7-inch wet tile saw 3540-02 is a precision-built wet tile saw which can make perfect cuts for your tile work. This tile saw comes with an impressive 3,500 RPM motor and a variable speed control for ultimate control and flexibility. Its water reservoir holds 7 liters of water, which is more than enough for completing most of your tile cutting jobs. Whether you are needing to cut ceramic, porcelain, slate, stone or marble tiles, this wet tile saw will make it easier for you to get the job done. This wet tile saw has a light weight and it also incorporates a splash deflector, making it easier for you to make accurate cuts. This tile saw is perfect for both the professional and at-home do-it-yourselfer. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.